Hello everyone! Welcome back to our math class and I hope that you are all safe today. So I'm teacher Carol and we will continue our lesson in math which is about decimals. So we are now in lesson 4, arranging decimal with one decimal digit. So in this lesson, I'll teach you how to arrange number using ascending and descending order. What is ascending and what is descending? How are they different to each other? But before that, I'll give you first example so that you understand what is ascending and what is descending. Okay, please look on your screen. As you can see on your screen, there are 3 circles, right? So you just count how many circles that has in full colors, meaning to say all parts are shaded. How many? 1, 2. So there are 2 circles that are in full shaded parts. And how many circles that is not in full shaded parts? There is only one, right? How many shaded parts can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 shaded parts out of 10. How to write this in decimal? It's very simple. You count how many circles are in full colors. 1 and 2. So you can see there 2. And then how many fractional parts that you can see in the last circle? The fractional parts is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So there are 5. So if you read this in decimal, you can say it 2.5. So the second example is, it's the same process. You're going to count how many squares are there in full colors. So 1, 2, 3. There are 3. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 10. So you're going to write here 5. So you can read it as 3.5. And the last one is 1, 2. So in decimal, it's 2.6. Why this one is 6? Because there are 6 shaded parts out of 10. So there are 2 circles that is in full colors and 6 fractional parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So let me read first. 2.5, 3.5, and 2.6. So now you are going to arrange this number. How are you going to arrange it? So we will do 2 examples. We will do ascending and we will do descending. So as you can see, okay, you can see the word ascending. Say it again, ascending. When we say ascending, look at the examples. First one is 2.5, 2.6, and 3.5. What can you see in these numbers? What can you observe about it? This one is 2, 2, and 3. Look first the whole number. 2, 2, and 3. So In these ascending numbers, the number is increasing, right? Increasing meaning to say the number is going up. You can see there, this is the lowest number, 2.5. Then the next one is 2.6 and the last one is 3.5. The number is increasing. The number is going up. So in this ascending number, you are going to compare the first number. Compare it. 2, 3, and 2. Since you can see the same number, right? So no need to compare. But if they have the same number too, you need to compare the second number, 5 and 6. So which one is bigger? Is it 6 or 5? So the biggest number is 6. So it must be 5 and then 6. Then the next one is, since the whole number is the biggest, which is 3, then you're going to write 3 in the last number. So ascending number is small to big number. This one is the smallest and this one is the biggest. So that is ascending. And then when we say descending, look, descending. Is it the same number, 2.5, 2.5? No. Why? Because when we say descending number, the number is going down. When I say it's going down, the biggest number comes first, from big to small. I'll repeat, descending number is from big to small. So that is the difference between ascending and descending. I'll repeat, ascending, small to big number, descending, big to small number. Let's have this second example. Okay, as you can see, what decimal is this? It's 2.3. Second example. How many squares can you see? There are 2, right? And how many square that is in full color? There is only 1. So the decimal is 1.5. And the third one is 1, 2, 3. So it's 3.5. Okay. If you are going to compare this number or arrange this number, you look first at the whole numbers. These are 2, 1, and 3. So if you do ascending number, which one comes first? Which one is the lowest number? This one, right? Okay, 1, and then 2, and then 3. So ascending number is 1.5, 2.3, and 3.5. That is ascending. And then descending is the biggest number comes first. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. The number is going down. And this one, the number is going up. Small to big, and then big to small. Let's have this example. How many whole numbers can you see? There are 2, 1 and 2. So if you write in decimal, it's 2.0, or you can write it 2 only, it's okay. The next one is 1 and 2. So 2 point, count this, it's 2.8. And the other one is 3. 1, 2, and 3. So 3.0. So if you're going to answer it ascending order, which number comes first? So just simply look at the first number, 2, 2, and 3. Since these are the same, 2 and 2, look at the second number, 0 and 8. So the first one is, yes, 2.0, 2.8, and 3.0. That is ascending from small to big numbers. And the second one is descending, big to small numbers. Okay, can you answer this one? If you have paper, then you can write it by yourself. Let's try to answer number 1. The whole numbers are not the same. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It says there, arrange the decimals in descending order. When we say descending, you're going to arrange the number from big to small. I'll repeat, from big to small. So as you can see, the first number, this one, which one is the biggest? Is it 30, 0, 11, or 87? Which comes first? So the biggest number is 87. Second is 30, 11, and 0. So this is the answer. The next one is, which one is the biggest number? The answer is, okay, from big to small number. How about the third one? Okay, the biggest number is 87.1. Now let's go to another example, which is arrange the decimals in ascending order. When we say ascending, the small number comes first. So from small to big number. So as you can see, 23, 45, 11, and 7. Which one is the smallest number? I think 7, 11, 23, and 45. Okay, let's go to number 2. We have 7, 90, 308, and 401. Okay, and the last one is, we have 12, 60, 87, and 650. So now students, what is the difference between ascending and descending? Yes, when we say ascending, the number is arranged from small to big number. I'll repeat, from small to big number. And then ascending is the number is arranged from big to small number. I'll repeat, the number is arranged from big to small number. So that is the difference between ascending and descending number. So I hope you understood the lesson, and it's time for you to do it in your book. And if you have any question, you can ask me in our Zoom class next week. Have a nice day, everyone, and keep safe.